What is up, guys? It is me, Beer Guy, and if I sound congested, well, apparently we found a cold that can tackle my immune system, so, yep, kind of sucks. Been blowing my nose like all day, but we do have the beer of the day. Y'all asked for IPAs, so what did I do? I went to Total Wine & More, and I got a whole 6-pack of just IPAs. This one caught my eye right away. Lightning Drops. Look at that can. I don't know what I guess it's a cloud riding a motorcycle. But yeah. That's just it's a badass can though, you know? And it is a Indian Pale Ale, so it's an IPA. Government warning. Brewed and packaged by Resident Culture Brewing Company, Charlotte. Yeah. Special agreement. All right. Hazy IPA hopped with citrus, mosaic, and strat. I don't know. I can't read sometimes. What is the alcohol? 6.5%. Not bad. Oh, let's crack her open. Oh yeah. That got on the bar. Oh yeah, and I bought a whole bunch of stain. I'm gonna be staining this bar tomorrow. You guys are gonna like the color. Alright, while that's going down, I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Let's give it a little sniffer. Oh yeah, that smells like grapefruit. Definitely hoppy. Smells like fresh hops. Not smelling much barley, but let's give it a taste. Wow, now that's an IPA right there. Holy crap. Definitely very hoppy, very tart. You can definitely taste the fruits and the hops in it. All in all, not a bad beer. I'd totally drink this again. You can definitely taste the ingredients. You can taste the hops, the fruits, a little barley. But yeah, I mean, it's good.